At Micron Biomedical, we are obviously very excited about the future of this technology and are excited to continue working with Harro Höfliger and other participants here in this workshop to bring microneedle patches into the clinic and eventually into the field where millions of people can benefit from it.
So first, we've been so grateful to Harro Höfliger to host this meeting, and it's really a unique event. Bringing developers together with the developers of the fill finish equipment, pharmaceutical manufacturers, donors, other stakeholders that are interested in this technology area to address this challenge. More innovation is needed to realize the benefit of microarray patch technology, and there's been some great innovation to date, both in device design as well as manufacturing methods, but there's more to come.
So the MAP Manufacturing Workshop is a wonderful opportunity to share learning and to keep up to date with the field, as well as a great networking event.
The MAP Manufacturing Workshop has been fantastic to get everybody together who's been working in this field. We know of lots of companies, but we don't get the opportunity to talk to them about something we've all been working on for many years. And it's a real wake-up call to the industry, and it's got the attention of pharmaceutical companies and not-for-profits who fund us. And the message is clear that MAP technology is coming, and we're here to stay.